So, quick update on the Pavoni. I took the bottom off here. You can see it's in really nice shape. There's a little bit of, grime here. I don't know if it's rust or not. Let me come around to the other side. You can see a little bit of, let me spin the whole machine over here. A little bit of rust there building up. That's all underneath the rubber gasket. So here's the insides, though. I'll get a little close up of the wiring diagram. It looks to be in really nice shape. Here's the back of the switch. Try to zoom here. I'm not sure. When I looked at the wiring diagrams online, the 78 to 83 or 84 did not have this, and they do not have the ground wire here. So I'm guessing that this was rewired at some point. I have an email into Stefano down in Eugene and see if he can help me identify it. So there you go. Thanks.